Welcome to Astronomy Lab C1, Star Altitudes with Stellarium. For this lab, you'll be determining the altitude of various stars as seen from Burlington, North Carolina on July 4, 2009 at 10 o'clock p.m. For this example, we'll be looking at the star Stellarium. You can download Stellarium from the website. We'll be downloading the Mac OS X version for this example. If you use Windows or Linux, you obviously would download the Windows or Linux versions. Once we've downloaded Stellarium on the Mac, we drag it into the Applications folder and launch it from there. Once running, we need to set Stellarium to view the sky in Elon. So move the mouse over to the location panel, scroll to select Burlington, North Carolina, and close the window. Our next step is to pause time. When you launch Stellarium, it's automatically set to run at real time. By clicking the back arrow once, you can make the play arrow dim out such that time no longer advances. We'll now set the date and time. For this lab, we're looking at July 4th, 2009 at 2200 hours or 10 o'clock p.m. We now need to search for the star Stellarium. In the search window, we type in the name Stellarium and then hit the search button. And Stellarium should center on Stellarium. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, we should see the details of the star Stellarium. In particular, we're looking for the altitude. You can see that on the line that says as alt, and in this case we see the altitude is 50 degrees, 10 arc minutes, and 56 arc seconds. For this lab, you'll need to convert that into decimal degrees. We do that by taking 50 degrees plus 10 arc minutes divided by 60 plus 56 arc seconds divided by 3600. That total equals 50.1822 degrees, where we've rounded off everything after the fourth decimal place. We now move our mouse down and hit the red X to close Stellarium and return to Blackboard. We just calculated that the answer was 50.1822, and we see that that's one of the answers in Blackboard. So we'll select that and get the correct answer. That is your instructions for Astronomy Lab C1. There's no paperwork that you need to turn in. Your score will be automatically calculated once you complete the lab. If you have difficulties with the lab, you may complete it again and again until you have it correct.